In this video, I will show you how to install Beetv on Roku TV. You can add Beetv to Roku with the help of an Android device. Please make sure that the Android device must have Beetv APK in it. Moreover, you will need a casting application on your device to use Beetv on Roku. So first, you have to download Beetv APK to your Android device. To put the app on Roku, you must have a local casting application. You can download the local Cast or Cast for Chromecast and TVcast app from the Play Store. After getting the app, please allow grant storage permission to proceed further. After that, you will see a casting icon with a yellow color on the home screen. Click on it and then you will see a searching interface with the option Scan Active for at the bottom. Click this option and you will see a new panel named Discovery Options. Select the device you want to connect to and press OK. Your device will connect to Roku and you can watch your content. Remember to download the streaming link of your favorite content from Beetv APK with the help of a download manager like ADM. Then click on the downloaded link and select Open with Localcast to watch your favorite content. And that's basically how you can install Beetv on Roku TV. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.